Looking for the as personal hygiene trends evolve, the demand for bidets has soared, driven by eco-conscious consumers and those seeking a cleaner, more luxurious bathroom experience. Whether you're new to bidets or upgrading your current setup, this guide evaluates the best bidets based on performance, nozzle design, ease of installation, water pressure control, and value. From premium electronic seats to simple non-electric attachments, we've got something for every need and budget. List 1. Alpha Bidet JX2 Elongated Bidet Toilet Seat. Endless warm water, LED quiet operation. The Alpha Bidet JX2 is a top-tier choice for those seeking a full-featured, luxurious bidet experience. Designed with comfort in mind, it offers endless warm water thanks to its tankless heating system, ensuring consistent warmth with every use. The new bowl mist feature helps keep your toilet cleaner by spraying a light mist before each use. Its soft LED nightlight enhances nighttime usability, while the ultra-quiet operation ensures discretion. The seat also boasts adjustable nozzle positions, water temperature, and pressure settings. Installation is surprisingly simple for such a high-tech unit, and the quality of materials is premium. This bidet is ideal for users wanting high performance, comfort, and smart design, all in one elegant package. List number: LUXE Bidet NEO 185 Plus. Patented bidet attachment with innovative hinges. The LUXE Bidet NEO 185 Plus offers an impressive balance between innovation and practicality. Its standout feature is the patented slide-in installation with adjustable hinges, allowing for quick setup and easy toilet cleaning, something many competitors overlook. It includes dual self-cleaning nozzles for both rear and feminine wash, with smooth water pressure control via a chrome-plated knob. Despite being non-electric, this unit feels premium and performs reliably. The upgraded Plus version improves installation flexibility, which is particularly useful in tight bathroom layouts. If you're looking for a feature-rich bidet attachment that's easy to install and maintain, the NEO 185 Plus is a solid mid-range option. List number: LUXE Bidet NEO 185. Self-cleaning dual nozzle non-electric attachment. Simplicity and functionality define the LUXE Bidet NEO 185. This model also features dual nozzles designed for rear and feminine wash, and a self-cleaning function that maintains hygiene between uses. While it lacks the adjustable hinges of the Plus version, it still offers an effortless installation process and a robust build quality. The pressure control knob is intuitive and responsive, allowing users to find the right level of comfort. This bidet attachment runs entirely on water pressure, which makes it eco-friendly and ideal for anyone looking to reduce reliance on toilet paper. It's a perfect pick for budget-conscious buyers who don't want to sacrifice functionality. List 4. LUXE Bidet NEO 120. Freshwater, single nozzle, simplicity. The LUXE Bidet NEO 120 is the company's entry-level model, offering a single, self-cleaning nozzle and manual water pressure adjustment. Designed for those new to bidets, it's easy to install and includes all necessary hardware. Like other LUXE models, it operates without electricity, relying solely on cold water pressure. This bidet is a great value pick, especially for guest bathrooms or minimalistic users who just want a clean, fresh feeling without extra features. It lacks the dual nozzle system of the NEO 185, but remains a reliable, cost-effective solution for everyday hygiene. List 5. Big Cow Ultra Slim Bidet Attachment. Dual nozzle, adjustable water pressure. The Big Cow Ultra Slim Bidet Attachment shines with its modern, space-saving design and excellent dual nozzle functionality. Despite its low-profile frame, just 0.19 inches thick, it delivers frontal and rear wash options, making it versatile for all users. The adjustable cold water pressure dial offers precision and comfort. Installation is straightforward with standard plumbing tools, and the ultra-slim profile prevents seat misalignment, an issue common in bulkier attachments. If you're looking for a sleek, efficient, and budget-friendly bidet without bells and whistles, the Big Cow is an outstanding contender in the under $50 category.